Hey guys, Farm Girl Scavenger here with an update on the house. I have a bunch of videos of things that we've done and that I need to get edited and put out, but I really felt I'm zooming ahead, right? This is May 16th, 2023. I have lived here for just 13 months now. So let's just get a little look-see at how the yard looks in the front, because they are gonna be taking all of the sidewalk ramps and making them ADA. They're gonna add a crosswalk right across the street from me, which is amazing. And so all of the stuff that all strawberries and a bunch of stuff I'm moving right now, and I figured I probably better make a video before I get it completely done. And I should have done it before I started. So let me turn this around. Might help if I actually hit the right. So let me turn this around. So here I am at the front porch, and Ryan is living here now, so he has brought a couple of plants, but I brought my orchids outside, and I have some cactus and just little tiny things here, but I've already planted some tomatoes that I got from some friends, Myra and Jason Griffith. But I have to move my strawberries and 2 lavenders and a Shasta daisy and that's what I'm in the process of doing, right? That is oregano and thyme and some mint. There's two tomatoes in there, but there's California poppies. So the strawberries are loaded. And why am I moving them right now? Because they're gonna come and I'm gonna lose all of that. They're gonna take all of this out right here. So I will gain all of this so I can bring more raspberries if I want to. But right now I just moved that. Here's my fig tree from the farm. And there are figs hiding in here. Harder to see on this one. I just counted a bunch of them. There's one right here. I doubt very much. Oh shit. Well, there isn't now. Sorry. There's one right here. And then this is another fig tree I brought from the farm, and it is look at, this is a gooseberry. All my lavender plants that I bought in 1-gallon pots last year. Never took a picture of this, but these were the daffodils, narcissus. Just kidding. Narcissus. I cannot talk. That I brought from the farm. Lemon balm needs water. So what I'm doing is I'm moving as many of the strawberries over here as I can, because they got to go away here. It's just a beautiful day. And then I got a Shasta daisy I got to move there, because they're going to move the mailbox down. And so yellow raspberries, the fig, gooseberry, lavender. Look, the bees love this. I got to get a little bucket of dish for water. The yellow raspberries are just amazing. They taste good. This is a blueberry, and you can see this one's not got as much on it as this one over here. And then there's a pink lady blueberry right there. So I bought all of these troughs, aka raised beds, last year and put them in, and I haven't updated that really. I think the last video I made on that, I was filling them. So that raspberry right there, and you can just see that one right there from the farm. They're the only ones that survived. And then I have transplanted some of the yellow ones over there. Lemon balm. This blueberry plant is beyond loaded. This is my rhubarb from the farm. There's another piece of rhubarb right there coming up. I'm going to have to move it. I thought it was dead. Another gooseberry, and this thing is amazingly loaded. You see them? The whole plant. I love gooseberries. Horseradish from the farm. And then more lemon balm, and then I dug this up at an estate sale. I stole it. They knew I stole it. I just moved that lavender. It was down there at the mailbox, and I put some strawberries down here. This is where Justin and Dren live. So there's my house and Justin and Dren's. And so 2 blueberries, one right there, some strawberries, and there's the other fig tree clear down there. You guys, how do you like my fence? I'm in love with my fence. So I have a lot of mulch left to move. My lilac tree, which is mine because I gained it. I literally gained this much room from there to here when I had the survey done. And the survey said, so they're gonna put, he marked it right here for me. They're gonna put a crosswalk right here. So they'll dig all this up and take the dirt and the grass away, which is amazing. Which means I don't have to do it. And they'll put mulch over it if I want, but I told them I don't need them to. So that's what's going on in the front yard today. I got to get this done because I got to go get to work. I got to move that. That's a Shasta daisy. I may well split it apart. I love them in big clumps, but it's splittable partable. What I mean? Do you get the gist? Anyway, that's what you can do. This is what you can do and not have any plants to take care of that don't give you something back. Plant wisely. Choose your plants. Choose your permanent plants to be a fruit and that you get something from and that you enjoy. Nothing makes me happier than to come out here and see this. So, and I have big plans for the backyard too. So I hope this gives you guys some sunshine in your day. Lord knows I needed some sunshine in my day because it's been bleak this last year. So I got to get these strawberries done and some water going on, but I just wanted to have a quick hey-yo. And apparently everybody loves it because then I get complimented every day from some neighbor how nice it looks. So that it doesn't make me feel good, absolutely, but they stop and talk long enough to learn. So, and keep your eyes open. I'm gonna try to get more out. So house update. Love you guys. Have a great day. Grow your own.